Welcome everyone to Silverstar Tech, where we make tech simple. Let's get into today's topic.
Today we're going to look at the control panel and the task manager. So if you come down here to your search bar, you can type in control, and then right here at the top should be your first option, control panel. Go ahead and hit enter, or you can click on it. This gives you a few more settings than the actual settings tab. This can be a quicker way to get to your settings. That way you can do all sorts of different things. You can come here and check your network status. So you can see your Wi-Fi network and see that your connection is good. And if you have any issues, you can click on troubleshooting. And then if you have any devices, like a printer or a microphone or a headset or some external speakers or anything like that, this is where you would set this up. Come up here to add device. And this is where you would set all this up. It would take you to the settings panel, and then you could start adding it in, depending on what type of device that it is. And then you can also change your sound settings, along with system volume. And if there are any programs that you just don't feel like you need anymore, you can also uninstall something. So this will show you all the programs that you currently have on your device. And so, for example, let's say we just didn't want to use Google Chrome anymore. We can come up here and click on it, and then click on install, and it will uninstall the program for us. And if you wanted to add an account, you can come over here to user accounts, and then you can change the account type. So here we have 2 accounts on this current computer. And if you wanted to add another user, you'd simply put in their email address. And once it's all connected, you can hit finish. And now we have another user. Now, if you have somebody that doesn't need to use the computer anymore, you can also remove them. So we select the one we just created and then come over here to delete the account. And then hit just delete files if you don't need them anymore. And then also delete the account. And the user has been removed. So, as far as the control panel, it just gives you a much easier way of changing your settings and adding and subtracting users, as well as adding new devices and uninstalling programs. So, let's take a look at the task manager. So if you come down here to your search bar down here and you just type in task, it should be your first pop-up. You can hit enter or click on it. And here is your task manager. You can make it full screen if you wish. Now, let's say for some reason that you have a program that is no longer responding and is basically frozen. What you can do, say for some reason Microsoft Edge has frozen and you can no longer search web pages or anything like that. What you can do is just come down here and click on it. And if you come up here to the top right, you can hit end task. And now Microsoft Edge has disappeared because it has completely been shut off. If you still need to use Microsoft Edge, you can minimize this, and then you can restart Microsoft Edge and continue on. So that's our look at the control panel as well as the task manager for today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing as well as sharing it with your friends and family. And if you guys have any other suggestions for other Windows tasks that you are having trouble with that I can create a tutorial for, please feel free to let me know down in the comments. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.